Hello, dear students. I am Jayapriya, the Dean of Academic Affairs. I'll be working along with Miss Josephine Lizzie Mann. I will brief you now on the part 4 and how do you register online for the courses. Part 4 contains general electives, general core, soft skills, value education, and a student is also given an option to earn extra credits. A student is expected to complete 4 general elective GE courses across the semesters. Students who have studied Tamil up to 10th standard and have taken Tamil as foundation course language can register for 4 GE courses offered by other departments. Students who have not studied Tamil up to 10th standard is expected to complete 2 basic Tamil GE courses and 2 GE courses from other departments. Students who have studied Tamil up to 10th standard but not taken Tamil as foundation course language is expected to complete 2 advanced Tamil GE courses and 2 GE courses from other departments. Part 4 also includes general core, environmental studies, soft skills, 2 value education, and an optional extra credits. Students can earn extra credits by registering to certificate course, independent elective course, research projects, and internships. Stella Maris College expects all students to attend every class for each course. But still, a student will be permitted to take the end semester examination provided she has a minimum of 85% attendance per course. An additional 10% of attendance slack will be condoned for student participation in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Attendance for student participation in co-curricular and extracurricular activities, academic or cultural events, including practice sessions for certain college events, will be claimed by the student through their login page, which I will be showing you. The student is expected to request for the attendance on days of participation through their login. In special cases, such as long-term illness, hospitalization, or any other contingency, a leave letter should be submitted to the head of the department within 3 days by parent or guardian. The student should provide a medical certificate and leave letter on the day of joining. If the attendance falls between 75 and 85%, she will be permitted to take the examination after payment of condonation fee. Now, let me show you how do we register online. The student will be registering for courses which includes student training program, general elective, major elective, and optional independent elective online. Now, I'll explain you how do you register online. So you will have to enter Stella Maris College website. So you can see, you will have to type stellamariscollege.edu.in. So you will enter the college website. There you can see there is a button called Students. When you click that, you will be directed to the student login page, where you will have to give the username, which is your department number. The format of the department number is given here in the same format. You can type your department number. The password is going to be the date of birth. Again, the format is given here. Then click this button, Login. So once you log in, you will be directed to your home page, the student's home page, where you can see a welcome followed by your name. You can also go through the details of the courses. And you also have general, attendance, registration, fee payment, all these menus for your use. Now, if you want to register for a course, you will have to go into the registration menu, course registration, select the course for which you wanted to register. So, the academic dean office will announce the students on the courses which the students are expected to register a semester and the deadlines before which they will have to register. The students are requested to listen to the announcements carefully and follow the deadlines and register for the courses. Now, I'll just show you an example here. If the student is registering for STP, so course registration, here you can see, you can select this STP, Student Training Program. So that will take you to the page where you will have all the student training program, which includes games, NCC, NSS, YRC. You can see all the courses. You'll have to scroll and see the availability. The status, you can see whether it is available or it is already full. So select the status, select the game you're interested in, then choose that game. If the status is available for the game you're interested, you can choose it, then save. When you save, you have registered for the course. But please ensure that the registration is properly done by going into General My Account. There you will see the course you have registered for. Only if you see that in My Account, it means that you have registered properly. So please ensure after you register for a course, save, go to General My Account and check whether it is registered. When it is registered, you can see the course will be displayed here. So that means everything is properly done. You can also view your attendance in the student login page. You can go to the attendance and you can see the subject-wise attendance with all the details, the percentage of attendance you have, the number of classes conducted, the number of hours you were present and absent, and all these details. And I told you in the beginning that you can claim for your attendance when you go for co-curricular, extracurricular events, when you go and attend. So how do you claim for the attendance? So we'll have to go into the students participation request entry. You will have to select the date for which you wanted the attendance, select the event, click save. When you click save, it will take you to the page where you will have to select the hours for which you wanted to claim your attendance. Then select the hours, save. Once you do this, your request will reach the coordinator of the event. Then the coordinator will approve. Once it is approved, you will get the attendance for that particular day. Hope you have understood what we said now. For any queries or clarifications, feel free to mail to the given mail ID here, smcad@stellamariscollege.edu.in. We are here to help you out. Hope you will have a wonderful learning experience in the college. Best wishes. Thank you.